Hello, welcome students. This lecture is belongs to methods of preparation of alcohols. That is, we are going to prepare alcohol from alkyl halides. Okay, so this alkyl halide we can also represent as an RX. Okay, students. So when this alkyl halide, that is RX, is treated with aqueous NaOH, will get ROH plus NX, that is alcohol plus sodium halide, students. Okay, as we know, students, alkyl halides are polar in nature due to presence of most electronegative halogen atom. Means it carries slightly delta negative charge and this carries slightly delta positive charge. Okay, now in this case this NaOH is act as a strong nucleophile, means the OH from this NaOH will attack on this R plus, that is carbocation, and when this OH minus is attack on this R plus, at the same time this halogen will be removed from this case. Means this is an substitution type of reaction. In this case what happens, students? The nucleophile from this NaOH, that is OH minus, will attack on this carbocation, that is we called as an R plus, and at the same time the leaving group, that is X minus, will be moving from this. Means bond breaking and bond making takes place simultaneously. So in this manner we will get alcohol, students. So from preparation of alcohol from this alkyl halides, we can say that it is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, now for example we are having CH3CH2 Br. Okay, again when it react with aqueous NaOH, what will get, students? Simply CH3CH2 OH plus NaBr. Now it is called as an ethyl bromide, and from the ethyl bromide we will get ethyl alcohols. Okay, now there is a very important condition, students. Okay, if the Rx is primary and secondary, okay, if the alkyl halide is 1 degree or 2 degree, then the nucleophilic substitution reaction is SN2, that is bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, suppose if the alkyl halide, that is Rx, is 3 degree, then the reaction occurs through SN1 mechanism, that is unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now we'll simplify with this example. Okay, now we are having CH3CH2Cl, simply it is called as an ethyl chloride. Okay, so we need to think about this ethyl chloride. Either this ethyl chloride is 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree. Now as this Cl is attached to this carbon, and now this carbon is attached by only other one carbon atom, so it is simply 1 degree carbon atom, that is it is an primary alkyl halide. And suppose it is an primary alkyl halide, that is, as we know that if the Rx is primary or secondary, then the type of reaction is SN2, means its reaction occurs through by means of bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. So by this means by doing SN2 mechanism, or by undergoing SN2 mechanism, we will get, students, CH3 CH2 simply OH plus NaCl, that is we will get ethyl alcohol. Suppose, students, we are taking this example CH3 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 Br. Okay, so simply it is called as an tertiary butyl bromide. Okay, now think about the type of this alkyl halide, students, either it is primary, secondary or tertiary. Now as this Br is attached to this carbon, and now this carbon is attached by another 3 carbon atoms, 1 2 3, so it is what, students? Tertiary 3 degree. Okay, As now this carbon is tertiary and it is attached by this halogen, so we call it as an tertiary butyl bromide. Okay, means it is an 3-degree alkyl halide. And again, as we know students, if the Rx, that is nature of alkyl halide, is 3-degree, then the reaction takes place through SN1 mechanism. Okay, means we need here only simple H2O, as this H2O is an polar protic solvent. So from this the OH will directly attack on this carbonyl, that is this carbocation. Again we generate here Br as a delta negative charge, and now this carbon will acquire as a delta positive charge. As there is a 3-degree alkyl halide present, so there is a formation of tertiary carbocation. Okay, so this is an SN1 mechanism, means there are 2 steps. First one is formation of carbocation, and now second one is attack of nucleophile. Okay, so there is a 2-step mechanism, that is we called as an SN1 mechanism. So in this manner we will get students CS3, C, CS3, CS3 and OH. So simply we call it as an tertiary butyl alcohol. Okay, so we'll repeat once again students. We are going to think the preparation of alcohol from alkyl halide. Okay, that is from Rx. As we know, Rx is an polar in nature, that is due to presence of this halogen as a most electronegative, there is a presence of delta negative charge on the halogen atom and delta positive on this R group. Okay, when we are going to treat this with strong nucleophile, that is NaOH or KOH in presence of aqueous medium, okay, we will get alcohol students. But only there are 2 conditions. First one is if the Rx, that is the nature of the alkyl halide, is primary or secondary, will follow the SN2 mechanism, and if the Rx is tertiary, it will follow the SN1 mechanism. Now these are the 2 important conditions to be remembered. Okay, so now this is the preparation of alcohol from the alkyl halide.